See Romulus, I'm just waiting for the live stream to connect.
Okay, no problem.
Good morning. This is 184720, State of Michigan versus Angelina Hope Bonacera. Ma'am, would you state your name for me, please?
Yeah, Angelina Hope Bonacera.
Thank you, ma'am. Today is the day and time for the arraignment on the felony charges that are currently pending against you. Ma'am, it's alleged that on October 19th, 2018, in the city of Romulus, that you committed the following violations. Count 1, controlled substance, possession, cocaine, heroin, or other narcotic less than 25 grams. That you did knowingly possess less than 25 grams of a mixture containing the controlled substance cocaine, contrary to MCL 333.7403, sub 2, sub A, sub 5. It's a felony punishable by up to 4 years in prison and or $25,000 fine plus court costs. Unless sentenced to more than 1 year in prison, the court shall impose license sanctions pursuant to MCL 333.7408A. There's also a habitual offender third offense notice. Take notice that the defendant was twice previously convicted of a felony or an attempt to commit a felony, and that on or about May 27th, 2016, she was convicted of the offense of retail fraud first degree in violation of MCL 750.356C in the 44th Circuit Court for County of Livingston, State of Michigan. And on or about May 27, 2016, she was convicted of the offense of resisting and obstructing police officer in violation of MCL 750.81D1 in the 44th Circuit Court for County of Livingston, State of Michigan. Therefore, defendant is subject to the penalties provided by MCL 769.11. The penalty being twice the maximum sentence on primary offense or a lesser term. The maximum penalty cannot be less than the maximum term for a first conviction. Commission of a felony with a motor vehicle advisory. You are charged with the commission of a felony in which a motor vehicle was used. If you are convicted and the judge finds that the conviction is for a felony in which a motor vehicle was used, as defined in section 319 of the Michigan Vehicle Code, 1949, Public Act 300, MCL 257.319, your driver's license shall be suspended by the Secretary of State. Court shall order law enforcement to collect a DNA identification profile sample before sentencing or disposition if not taken at arrest. Ma'am, there's a notation in the file that you are declining assistance of the Michigan Indigent Defense Commission attorney this morning. Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, you have a right. For that reason, the court's going to make an indication that you stand mute to the charges.
Yes, sir.
And you have a right to preliminary examine this matter. You have a right to have an attorney if you're not represented by an attorney this morning. Attached to the front of your file, there's a petition in order for court-appointed attorney. The court's going to sign that. An attorney will be assigned to you going forward. Your phone number, please.
734-680-2980.
And a current email address.
Angelina BEAN 023 at Yahoo. Sorry.
I'm sorry, B-E.
A and then N is in Nancy. 023.
023.
At Yahoo.
Thank you. Your next court date will be a probable cause conference on April 21st, 2021 at 9:15 a.m. And that will be with Judge Oakley. The officer will give you notice of that. As for bond in this matter, The recommendation from Romulus Police Department today is that they do not oppose a personal bond. Ma'am, how do you support yourself?
I actually, I work for Troy Clog Land Associates.
Work for?
Troy Clog Land Associates out of Wixom.
The mask makes it difficult. Troy Club?
Yeah, landscape.
Troy Club Landscape, thank you.
Sorry.
No, that's okay. The court's gonna set your bond at $5,000 personal. You shall not possess, consume, purchase drugs or alcohol during the pendency of this matter. What's wrong, ma'am?
How much is my bond?
5,000 personal. You don't need to post anything, but you need to show, ma'am, you're fine. Listen, you just need to show up. And as long as you show up, your personal bond will continue, okay?
No.
No, listen.
Thank you.
Next court date again is April 21st at 9:15 a.m. The officer's going to give you notice. The file number is 184720FY. Anything further, officer?
No, Your Honor.
Ma'am, you have a good day. We're all set. You'll get your paperwork in just a little bit. Back with Judge Oakley on the 21st, okay?
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks, Your
you.
Honor.
Good day.
You too. I was scared for a second there. I was like, what?